In this video, I'll show you how to use the approve and decline fields in Docusign with a simple and practical workflow that helps streamline decision-based documents. After logging in, upload your document and add recipients, then move to the editing screen where all field options are available. From the toolbar, select the approve and decline fields and place them where decisions are expected, usually near the end of the document. These fields give recipients a clear choice, making the approval process faster and more structured. Docusign keeps this feature easy to use, but it's important to assign each field correctly to avoid confusion. You can also combine these with required fields to ensure responses are completed before submission. It's a good idea to preview the document before sending to confirm everything flows logically. Overall, it's a useful feature for approvals when set up carefully. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter every day.